Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. In Python, you can use list comprehensions to create lists in a concise and readable way. While list comprehensions are commonly used with a single iterator, you can also use them with multiple iterators to generate more complex lists. This tutorial will explain how to use list comprehensions with multiple iterators, along with code examples to illustrate the concept. When using multiple iterators in a list comprehension, you can create combinations of elements from two or more iterable objects. This allows you to generate new lists by combining elements from different sources. Here's the basic syntax. Let's explore some practical examples to see how multiple iterators in list comprehensions work. In this example, we create a list called combined_list by iterating over elements from list 1 and list 2. The resulting list will contain tuples where each tuple consists of an element from list 1 and an element from list 2. Here, we use the enumerate function to iterate over both the elements and their indices in the numbers list. We filter out the elements at even indices, resulting in a new list containing only those elements. In this example, we flatten a 2D matrix into a 1D list by iterating over both the rows and the elements within each row. Using multiple iterators in list comprehensions allows you to create more complex lists by combining elements from different iterable objects. This can be a powerful and concise way to generate new lists in Python, especially when working with data that needs to be transformed or combined in various ways. ChatGPT.